Hi guys, what's happening? Welcome to RTH Tech TV. This is Poco X2 which has been recently launched here in India. Today in this video, let's unbox it. Let's have a look at camera samples. Let's also listen to sound quality. Make sure to watch this video till the end. And also guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now guys, Poco X2 comes with some very interesting specs and it's also available at a very affordable price. But very interestingly, very importantly, this is not a successor to Poco F1. This is a different segment device guys. It's a budget segment device and it actually comes in three different variants. 6 plus 64 GB available at 16,000 rupees, 6 plus 128 GB available at 17,000 rupees, and 8 plus 256 GB available at 20,000 rupees. So quickly, let's see what comes in the box. So firstly, we get a SIM ejector pin. We have a cover being included, which is a pretty good thing, and also a quick start guide. So this is the phone. This time around we have some colorful options available. Let me get this out of wrap. So this is the Phoenix red guys. We also get Atlantis blue and matrix purple available. So you do have colorful options available this time around. So quickly let's remove the sticker on the back side. So this actually comes with 4500 milliampere battery guys, and it has quad camera. So the main primary camera is 64 megapixel. Then you have 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel for depth sensing, and 2 megapixel as a macro camera. And on the front side we get in display dual camera. So it's the 20 megapixel on the front side and 2 megapixel again for the depth sensing, and it comes with 6.67 inch full HD plus display. And important thing about this display is it has 120 hertz refresh rate, so the games and the content would be much more smoother than normal displays. And it has 20:20:9 aspect ratio as well. So let's keep this aside and let's see what else comes in the box. Before that, let's quickly power this on. And this time around, the fingerprint sensor is actually placed on the power button, I guess, and we'll see that a little bit later. And speaking about the processor guys, it comes with Snapdragon 730G processor. So it's a 8 nanometer processor. So the battery life should be good, and also heat management should be better on this Poco X2. So we get a Type-C cable. So this is the normal USB to Type-C cable. So pretty good thing. And good thing guys, another good thing is this Poco X2 comes with 27 watt fast charger included in the box. So quickly, if I have to tell you the rating, so it's 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt at 3 amps, and 12 volt at 2.25 amps. Alright guys, let's keep all these things aside and let's have a closer look at the device itself. Alright guys, I have set up the device. Now before we look into camera samples and sound quality, let's quickly have a look at Poco X2 device specific details. Now out of the box, it actually runs on MIUI 11 based on Android 10. And out of that 128 gigs of inbuilt storage, around 109 GB is actually available to the user. And guys, I haven't installed any applications yet. And out of that 6 gigs of RAM, as you can notice, 3.7 to 3.8 GB is actually available to the user. This phone also has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front side and also on the rear side, so it should protect the display and the back glass to a certain extent, at least against the scratches. And as I mentioned earlier guys, the power button houses the fingerprint sensor. Let's quickly see the performance. As you can notice, it's fairly fast and accurate. Alright guys, now looking at camera, the main camera on the rear side has Sony IMX686 sensor. In daylight, images were crisp with good saturation. Color production was very accurate, replicating the natural color tone. Images were sharp, highlighting all the details. And as the main camera has 1.89 aperture, naturally the depth of field was good, producing good bokeh effect. Even low light pictures came out to be quite good with very little to no noise. The wide angle camera has 120-degree field of view, and definitely it did cover a lot of area. Macro mode also worked fine, capturing smallest of small objects without any issues. Front 20 megapixel camera also covered good details. Colors were natural and exposure handling was good. And as usual, portrait mode also came out to be quite good with perfect edge detection. So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RCH Tech TV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching and I'll see you real soon.